All right. Welcome to our Wednesday, July, ano ba ngayon? 22 presentation for our Midas EA, where we're going to share with you how great our bot trading, what is our bot trader in this business, and how we're going to be able to share this to a lot of people at the same time. How can this be an opportunity for anyone this 2026. So my name is Patrick Gallardo. I'll be your presenter for this evening. And let's go ahead and start our presentation. So again, this is our Midas EA copy trading bot. No? So marami tayong pwedeng pag-uusapan dito. We'll discuss everything that you need to know about this trader. Okay? So first, disclaimer po muna tayo before we start that this presentation is for educational and information purposes only. Nothing presented constitutes financial or investment advice. Trading involves risk and losses can occur. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, Midas EA does not guarantee profits or specific returns. Users are responsible for their own trading decisions and should understand all the risks. Okay, so para klaro lang po tayo dyan. And of course, tignan niyo po 'tong mga papakita natin sa inyo, no? Kilala niyo po ba yung mga logo na yan? Natatandaan niyo ba yung mga yan? Of course, kilalang kilala yan. Nasa gitna rin yan. Ano yan? Car brands, Toyota, no? Bakit tayo naglagay ng mga ganyan? It's because, syempre kung titignan natin, no, the, everything is innovating. It's maraming bago, no? Gusto niyo ba ng bago? But kung babalikan natin, no, kung matatandaan mo, no, kung dati ikaw gusto mong manood ng movie, no, na tapos na, gusto mong balikan, saan ka pupunta? You go to Video City, right? So you check out ano ba yung available and then ang gagawin mo, magre-rent ka ng VHS, Betamax, hanggang sa naging VCD, naging DVD, hanggang sa dumami na yung pirated, naubos na sila. Pero kung titignan mo, may Video City pa kaya? Wala na. Bakit? It's because there is what you call, ano ngayon? Netflix. Ano yan? Data storage of all movies. Amazon Prime, HBO Prime, and all these platforms where you can watch now thousands of movies in just one click, right? How about Nokia? Lahat tayo nag-Nokia before, right? Of course, yan ang pioneer when it comes to texting, 'di ba? Ngayon may Nokia pa? Wala na. Ano namang uso ngayon? Yan, Apple or yung mga Androids, 'di ba? Halos lahat tayo nakaganyan ngayon. Ano nangyari? May Nokia pa ba? Wala na, obsolete na, napag-iwanan sila because they didn't innovate. Now, I didn't say that the Toyota did not innovate, pero from there on, from car brands, from diesel, nagkaroon ng unleaded, now to what? Electric cars like Tesla, BYD, and all of these car brands now diversify or moving now to electric cars. Toyota, Hyundai, and all of those car brands, lahat may electric cars na, right? How about yung sa mga music? Nag-Walkman ba kayo before? Cassette pa yung gamit mo, right? To what now? We have now Spotify, where all, not just thousands, but hundreds of thousands, possible millions of music storage in just one application. Imagine the innovation of these kinds of technology. And similar to what we're having yung mga trading. Right? Before, lahat manual trades ini-execute yan. Correct? Nag-manual trades na ba kayo? Na-stress na ba kayo gaya ng nangyari sa akin before? Na-stress ako sa manual trade dahil, ano na nangyayari ngayon? Pag nag-down yung crash yung market, what do I do? Right? So, yung tinatawag na forex trading. So, ngayon, may mga innovation ba? Of course, there is. There is now the future of our trading, which is the AI bot trading. Yan po yung papakita natin sa inyo this evening. No? So what is Forex? Forex is a short term for foreign exchange or FX. It is the global marketplace wherein or where different national currencies are traded against one another. Commodities, 'di ba? Diyan nagpapapalit or diyan nagkakaroon ng trade, diyan naglalaro. It's the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world, facilitating international trade, global investment, and currency speculation by banks, businesses, and individual traders, no? Bakit ba natin gustong pasukan ang Forex? Kasi tignan nyo nga, oh, it is the largest and the most liquid financial market in the world. Don't you want to be part of that industry? Kahit kumurot ka lang kahit konti? Yes, because majority of all billionaires are into what? Foreign exchange. Currencies like crypto exchange, no? Stock market exchange. Diyan po naglalaro yung mga big players. And of course, ito yung pwede nating pasukin. At ang maganda dito, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng billion or million or even hundreds of thousand. With a very small capital, you can be able to exchange or to forex. Yun ang maganda dito because it's high in liquidity, accessible at low cost. And low cost, pwedeng-pwede po yan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina. And it's 24/5 schedule. So it is for open from Monday all the way to Friday. Actually, till Saturday siya ng 5 a.m. ng Philippines. Kasi syempre, dun po yun sa New York. Baliktad yung oras, baliktad yung mundo, di ba? So atin umaabot ng 5 a.m. yan. Tapos may Asian market pa tayo, which papakita ko sa inyo yung time schedule yan mamaya. And then you can leverage from that. Okay, you'll be able to earn passively if natutunan nyo paano gawin to. And you can profit in any direction, whether you are buying or whether you are selling your trades. Yun ang maganda sa forex market. Hindi siya yung kailangan na, bibili muna ako para pag mataas, saka ako magbebenta. Hindi siya ganon. Dito, even if nasa taas pa siya, wala ka pa binibili, you can start selling. Right, yun po yung maganda sa ginagawa natin, which will explain later on about that if you cannot understand it yet, because may mga ano tayo, technical trainings. We have a different presentation and training specifically for that. But this one is just an introduction of what we do here sa Forex trading natin with our bots. Okay, the good thing is we have our partner broker, which is ACCM. ACCM founded in 2007, so 19 years already in the industry, right? And it's in Sydney, Australia po siya nag-originate. So marami po siyang regulations. Even as ASIC, FSCA in South Africa, FSA, and VFSC. To find out more or to know more about our, what do you call this, ACCM, we can watch this video po.
That moves faster every day. Stability and trust have become the foundation of global trading. ACCM was established in 2007 in Sydney, Australia's financial centre. ACCM has always been committed to building a trading platform that is professional, transparent, and trusted by investors around the world. Regulated by ASIC, VFSC, FSA, and FSCA. We take a compliance-first approach with robust systems that safeguard client interests, delivering a secure and reliable trading environment for every customer. Speed is the pulse of the market. With access to top-tier global liquidity providers, ACCM delivers millisecond-level matching and lightning-fast execution, ensuring every trade captures the moment that matters. A truly one-stop trading platform, covering forex, commodities, indices, and precious metals. With global access right from the palm of your hand. Exceptional service is our promise. With 24/7's multilingual support and a team of expert analysts sharing daily market insights, we help you make better informed, sharper trading decisions. But we're more than just a financial platform. Driven by a competitive spirit, ACCM partners with Serie A to celebrate resilience, passion, and global brand strength. We also carry a mission. ACCM actively supports charitable causes and community initiatives, giving back, staying grounded, and upholding our responsibility as a global citizen. Over the years, ACCM has advanced steadily, one solid step at a time. Our success is built on consistent dedication, daily effort, and unwavering commitment. Our beliefs have never wavered. Our dreams continue to come true. As we look to the future, filled with both challenges and opportunities, we invite you to explore it with us.
Ayan 'no, so that is our, um partner or our broker partner. Just to clarify, I am not employed by ACCM. Basically, I'm just introducing to you where our copy trading or our bot is founded or saan po kayo pwede mag-copy. Para at least clear lang po sa inyo that what we're doing is legal and what we're sharing with you is really regulated by ACCM. So what do we trade here? We're trading, of course, gold, no? Bakit gold? Because it's a very high commodity. 'No, lahat ng tao kilala ang gold 'no, alam mo how gold works. Jewelries, 'di ba, daming nagpapagawa, nangongolekta ng ginto. Iba, mini-melt na yung gold nila, tinatabi, ginagawang gold bars or yung mga gold bars. Then pinapa-weigh po 'yan, tapos pinapa-grade nila para of course they can sell in the future. Tumataas po kasi ang gold 'no, not only because it's jewelry, it's because ang gold po mabilis ito ang spike niya ngayon or ang volatility niya, it's because ginagamit na rin po siya for mga conductors ng mga AI. So AI needs to be fast, right? So for you to be able to speed up the transaction or the understanding of the bot, what is the best conductor? It's always gold. 'No? Yun po yung ginagamit diyan. So why gold? Sabi nga sa inyo, gold is highly volatile. It moves fast during news and events. Um, During times of uncertainty, many investors move money into gold, which is often creates strong trends for traders to follow. Okay, at the same time, gold is one of the most traded assets in the world. Okay, para at least clear po sa atin yan. Now, the good thing what we're doing sa ating trading or sa bot trading natin na Midas EA is meron po tayong number one, our partner broker. Like na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, we're registered. Kompleto po tayo ng mga ganyan. You can verify your email, may KYC po yan, and proof one valid ID nyo po dyan. And you will have now your broker platform where you can trade or start your trading venture. Okay, so doon din po kayo mag-withdraw. Mamaya papakita ko po lahat sa inyo yan. Okay, and then we also have your trading platform which is our MetaTrader 5 no yan dyan po tayo pwede mag-trade diyan po siya mas naka-link no ang ACCM na broker po marami din pwede makipag-trade or makipagpasok ng kanilang mga trading platforms sa or mga brokers sa MetaTrader 5. I tried it before even last year with Malaysia or in Singaporean company. So it's available for App Store and Android or even desktop. You can use your ACCM account and it's a trading platform as I mentioned earlier. The third one is we have our Discord community where this one is where we also do trainings. Bakit? Not only we also do or train here yung ating mga bot traders or bot trading. We also have here manual trades. So if you're the type of person or trader na, oh, I have an idea. I want to do it on my own, but I don't have a broker or I don't have any new platform. I want to be able to try it. Do you have any indicators? Yes. We have our pro indicator na kasama dyan sa mga trainings na ginagawa natin that you can use. If you are part of ACCM in our community or the Midas EA, we can help you or give you a pro indicator that tells you when to buy and when to sell. Kagaya po nito. This is our Discord channel. Okay? Ano po ba tong indicator na to? So when I started trading po back early of this year, January, exactly January. So, hindi pa po ako gano'n katagal na trader. It's because marami pong years ang kailangan for you to be able to learn all of these techniques. I'm still learning. Marami pa po akong kailangang aralin about trading. But one thing na nakapagpadali po sa akin of understanding the market is meron po akong binili dati na indicator that tells me when to buy and when to sell. So, para po siyang cheat code. No, gaya po nito, ano po ba 'yun? Gaya nito, 'pag nagsabing green marker, sabi daw dito, get ready to buy or buy na. Okay? Nung January po, 'wag niyo muna pansinin itong nasa ilalim, Pansin mo itong nasa taas lang muna, yang green tsaka red indicator. So 'yan po, 'pag green sabi buy daw, 'pag red sell. So 'yun, nakikita ko na kaagad, okay, buy, okay, sell, okay, take profit. Okay? So nung ginawa ko po 'yun, mga nasa 60% win rate po ako. Mababa po 'yun actually. Kasi bakit? Mataas po yung chance na puwede pong masunog yung pera ko. So, hindi ko po siya masyadong binabaran, 'no. I just tried it with a few hundreds of dollars and okey naman din po siya, pero ang problema ko sa kanya ang tagal ko nag-aantay, okey? So, gaya po nito, tignan niyo, sabi dito, "Buy." Pero nangyari bumaba ba? Yes. Pero eventually umangat din po, yes, kasi ibig sabihin buy, get ready to buy, 'no? 'Pag red, sell. So, diyan po to be honest medyo I lost some money. So, hindi ko po siya talaga tinutukan. I was just doing it on my free time. Hanggang sa pagdating nung May po, early May, tinawagan ako nung binuilhan ko po netong platform natin na 'to and sabi sa akin na, "Kuya Pat, meron tayong second indicator." Sabi ko, "Ano 'yun?" Sabi niya, "Eto, mas nagko-confirm yung execution ng buy mo." So tinignan ko po, sabi dito, eto yung STI na margin. So sabi dito, kailangan mag-cross yung path tapos dapat line, naglilinya silang dalawa. 'Yun, tignan mo dito. Sabi dito buy, pero pagdating sa indicator wala siyang path na magkalapit. So, don't execute. Pagdating dito sabi buy, tignan niyo po dito nag-cross, yun nag-cross. Ano nangyari, umangat? Umangat. Tapos umabot pa hanggang sa taas, yun. Nagbigay siya ng signal to sell, pwede ka na magbenta. Pero sa turo namin sa manual, dito pa lang sa half, mag-take profit ka na kagad. Wag mo nang antayin umangat. And so far, majority po of our community or traders na gumagamit po ng manual trade natin, nasa 90 to 94% accuracy po yung kanila nangyayari sa mga win trades po nila. And congratulations to them for being able to do that because ang dali lang, hindi mo kailangang aralin lahat, kailangan mo lang sumunod sa indicator. Pag sinabing sell, kung walang cross ng path, do not sell. Gaya neto, tignan mo, may cross po siyang malapit. Bumaba po ba? Bumaba. Sabi buy, may cross po ba yung path? Wala. So, wag mong execute. Dito, buy, 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 wala. Pagdating dito po, sabi buy, may execution po nag-cross nung yellow tsaka nung red marker. Tumaas po ba? Tumaas po siya. O, TP ka na kagad dito. Antay ka na naman. O, pagdating dito, wala naman. Pagdating dito, umangat. Yun, dito may malapit siyang cross, ayun bumaba po siya. Ganyan po yung manual indicator and we also have our training rooms here na puwede po kayo mag-aral how to trade and other trainings na ginagawa natin for Midas EA 'no. So, you'll be able to, be part of this kapag nakasama na po kayo sa ating ACCM community, okay, or our Midas community. Now, what do we have here as a Midas EA 'no? Kasi okey din naman po gawin yung manual kaso sabi ko nga po sa inyo, this one involves emotions. So, minsan sabi ko, "Uy, sabi buy daw." Lakihan ko nga yung aking, input. So, nagkakaroon ka ng gano'ng klaseng way of trading. Now wherein when you do a manual trade, mas mataas po yung risk of burning your capital because again, kung hindi ka marunong, paano kung halimbawa nag-downtrend? Will you able to close it or will you wait? So yun po, mahirap po siyang aralin kung wala po tayong background. That's why we have this Midas EA that can help us do our trading ng walang kahirap-hirap. Kokopya lang po tayo. Parang 'pag nagso-school ka 'di ba, ano mas madali, mag-aral o mangopya? Siyempre mangopya. Ang hirap mag-aral, but of course, yun ang trabaho ng bot. Pag-aralan ang market. Anong trabaho mo? Kopyahin mo yung bot. Wala namang teacher diyan, eh, wala namang papagalit sa'yo, eh. Negosyo 'yan, you can do that legally. But of course, the bot charges you fee. How much? Only 30% of your winnings. Kung walang winnings po, wala pong mababawas sa inyong deposits. Now, what makes us different from the other traders? Midas EA is an intelligent automated trading platform that uses advanced algorithm to analyze markets and execute trades based on predefined strategies. Ibig sabihin, beforehand pa po, this was already prepared December of last year. They were already trying different ways on how to make this bot better, but they weren't giving anything. Okay? When did I learn about Midas EA? Very, very new. June. Actually, hindi pa si Midas nun. It was another bot that I copied and dito po ginaya si Midas EA 'no. So 'tong bot na 'to, nung sabi sa akin na nung May nga nag-trade ako with that indicator, nung pagdating nung June sabi niya, "Kuya, meron pa tayong mas bago, the bot. The bot that we've been telling you is now available and already done sa kanyang stress test." Ibig sabihin sinubukan na po siya for a couple of months, marami ng chinage, that's why it is now ready for the market. So nag-start po ako June and then nag-trade na po ako. Okay, so I started trading and good enough talagang naging profitable po yung market po. Okay, so I started with only $300. Hindi lang po siya naging doble. Ilan po siya naging times 2, nag-times 3, nag-times 4 pa po siya. Okay, it's not hype. Mamaya I'll show it to you po how it works. So this is also helping users trade more efficiently, reduce emotional decisions like I mentioned kanina, and participate in the markets with more confidence. Okay? And this is how it works, no? Ganyan po siya. So dito po makikita nyo po yung dami ng tina-trades ng iyong system. Nung ginawa ko po yung manual trade ko po, makikita nyo po diyan, isang blue lang tapos isang red dito na. Isang blue dito, isang red dito. Ang layo ng gap. And how I wish I was able to screenshot before my trades. But ngayon po, makikita nyo, anong ginagawa ng bot? Trade lang ng trade ng trade. Whether nasa gitna siya or nasa taas siya, trade niya yan. Sasabayan niya yan. And the good thing is, tignan nyo po nangyari dito. Okay? Ito po yung nag-start siya ng trade. 0.04 win, take profit na po siya. Hindi po siya naghahangad ng malaking profit. Hindi niya sabihin, oh, kailangan mag $100 muna bago mag-take ng profit. Kailangan mag 1,000 muna. Hindi po niya gagawin yun. Kahit as small as $1.92 magte-take profit po siya. As small as 92 cents to take profit po siya. As small as 36 cents, it will take profit. As long as it is profiting, it would take your profits right away. Okay? Gaya nito, tignan niyo po 'to, nag-execute siya ng first trade niya, 0.04. Imbis na sell, tumaas. So, umangat pong konti, nag-execute siya ng doble, 0.08. Nangyari, hindi pa rin po bumaba, tumaas pa rin po siya. Ginawa niya, nag-execute siya ng mas mataas, 0.24. Ano nangyari po? Bumaba lang ng konti dahil mas mataas yung trade na ginawa niya. Nag-green, nag-blue lang po siya. Nag-go signal lang po siya. Pag kinompute niyo po yan, ito po, 30. Ito po yung batch na ginawa niya, itong tatlo, 30. Pag inad niyo po to, minus 5, that's 25. Minus 13, ilan po yun? 12. Oh, nag-profit pa po siya ng 12 USD. Kita niyo po, gano'n lang kasimple ginagawa ng bot, hindi siya naghahangad ng malaki. Okay? So, what else? Gaya po netong nasa slide na 'to, eto. This is very, very new. Okay? So, yan po yung bot, trade lang ng trade. This is very, very new, 414. Kaka-screenshot ko lang po neto, kanina lang po ito. Okay? Kasi bakit? Nangyari po, nag-trade po siya ng malaki, marami pa po yung red, pero pagdating dito, nag-execute siya ng 12.2 or lot sizing po yan, which will explain again sa trainings natin yan. Tignan niyo po yung in-execute niya. How many? 3,000 USD. Actually, US cent po yan. Naka-cent account po tayo. We'll explain more about that kasi yun yung multiplier na ginagamit natin para hindi po pag bumaba ang inyong market at naka-sell po kayo or naka-buy po kayo, hindi po ma-zero yung inyong account. It will preserve because pinoprolong po natin yung inyong capital. Naka-multiply by 10 po siya. So kahit maliliit na profit po, dahil sobrang dami in a day, which I'll show you how much, panalo pa rin po yan. Okay? So not long after that, tignan niyo po yan ha. O, pagdating dito, 0.05, talo. Dito, talo. Pero hindi po yan talo, 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 talo ha. Isang batch po yan. Numbers, layers, layers, layers po siya. Okay? Pag kinompute niyo po yan, 56, 120, 270, 500. Sabihin mo na ito, pang 600 po ito. Pero magkano po yung naging profit po niya? 1,000. Pag binayos po yan, profit ka pa rin ng 400. Magkano yan? That's $4 in US dollar. Good trade, right? Panalo pa rin po siya. Yun po yung ginagawa ng bot natin. Okay? So that's what we're teaching here sa Midas EA na wala ka nang kailangang isipin. Let the bot do its work. Hindi mo na kailangan ma-stress na kung nangyayari. Paano gagawin to? Let the bot do its magic. Okay? Ang maganda pa sa bot natin, may calendar po yan. Not coming from us. Calendar mismo yan ni ACCM. Our head broker or a partner broker. Nagbibigay po siya ng schedule. Now, itong mga schedule na to, 4 p.m. Okay? May news. 2:30 p.m. may news. Ito 2 p.m. pala to. 2:30 p.m. may news. So yan po, nagbibigay siya ng mga schedule. Anong ginagawa ng bot? Especially pag ganyan, naka-red po siya. Yung bot natin, magpo-pause po. Pag may news, okay, ganun ka-smart yung bot, it will pause. It will not trade anything because bakit? Highly volatile po yung market, ayaw niyang maipit. So like majority po ng news, nangyayari po siya ng 8 p.m. I will check ngayon kung meron bang any news nangyari dahil 8:30 ngayon. Wala po because there's a trade that is happening with our platform. Okay, tatanggalin ko nga 'tong aking background para makita niyo po. Ayan po, may existing po siyang trade na nangyayari. Kaya ibig sabihin walang news ngayong 8 PM. Normally kasi 8 PM may news 'yan. So the bot would pause. Wala po siyang gagawing trades hanggang matapos po yung news na yon saka siya mag-execute. Normally 2 hours, 10 PM. 'Pag red folder po, okay, ang lumabas, ang gagawin po ng bot is 6 PM pa lang, 2 hours before the news mag-e-execute na po siya ng pause. There will be no trades, therefore there will be no losses on our end. Yun po yung maganda sa ginagawa ng bot natin. Talino, 'di ba? So it really manages our expectation when it comes to risk management. So the main goal of Midas EA is not for you to take profit on a high value. Ang goal ni Midas EA is how can it protect your capital? Capital protection po ang goal natin dito. First goal. Your second goal is what? Mag-double po yung inyong capital. Ibig sabihin, get your ROI, withdrawin niyo na po yun para wala na po kayong exposure. You're now playing with the house money. Okay? Which is step 2. Mamaya ako explain yung step 3. Tignan niyo po ito. Ito yung example po ng trade na pause ha. Trade, 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 trade. Tumakbo po ng 6 PM. Stop trade. Wala po siyang ginawa. Kahit anong gawin mo. Not unless mag-manual trade ka, which we don't suggest you do it when there's a news. Pagdating po ng 10 PM, wala na. Wala akong pinipindot or anything. Execute na naman siya. Bam, trade, 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 trade. Ayan po, tignan nyo. Oh. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Ganyan po katalino o kagaling ang ating Midas EA. Now, ito po yung sasabi ko sa inyong market kanina. From 8 AM ng Monday pa lang, magsisimula na yung trade. So talagang pag Monday, good morning ang isisigaw mo talaga dyan because now your bot is now alive. Tawagan namin, oh, bukas na yung tindahan natin. 'Di ba? Bili na po kayo, mag-trade na po. Hanggang 4 PM yan. Eh maganda dyan, hindi titigil yan dahil kukonek po yan sa London session which is 4 PM to 8:30 PM. Yes, mabilis na po mag-trade ang London, 6.5 hours lang po sila. Pagdating po niyan, ang maganda diyan, very volatile po 'yan. Why? Nagko-connect po kaagad yan sa New York session these are two high players, the London and the New York. So pagdating po ng mga bandang 9 to 10 PM, 8 to 10 PM, kaya dun nagpo-pause yung bot natin. Kung walang news, diyan po maganda execution yan. Mamaya magugulat kayo. Minsan, like last Monday, 'di ba, nag-explain ako, biglang nag-high TP tayo or for the traders that are existing na sa platform natin. So nagko-connect po yan all the way to 6 AM the next day. So pagdating po niyan, 6 AM, of course, magpo-pause po yung bot. Ano mangyayari? Magde-deduct lang po yung bot natin ng 30% na naging profit mo for the whole day. Yun po ang fee ni bot. Kasi bakit? May binabayaran po yung bot natin ng services, 'di ba, ng what do you call this? May kuryente din po si bot. Okay? Ano pa? Meron po tayong staff from ACCM that helps us when it comes to um, approvals or may any concern po tayo. So may dedicated po staff ang ACCM for Midas EA. Ganyan po kaganda ang ating partnership with ACCM. No? Not just that, ito po yung sasabi nating how can you manage your risk. So ito po yung recommended copy trading percentage natin based on your account size. The good thing, okay, of what we're doing right now and ACCM is doing, lahat po, okay, ng traders na bago or new traders who are gonna come in with ACCM and Midas EA, we are going to double your capital when it comes to your equity. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Okay, so halimbawa nag-start po kayo $200. Yan po yung pinaka-lowest that you can enter. Bakit ganun kababa? Ang gagawin po natin dyan is i-multiply po natin. Gagawin po natin siyang cent account. So, sabi natin, naglabas ka ng 200 to start. Your 200, dodoblehin ni ACCM yon. So, magiging 400 na po siya, but 200 lang ang pwede mong withdrawin. Hindi po sa inyo yung 200, hindi bibigay po yun ha. Dodoble na po yun as your capital. Gagawin mo siyang cents, so 400, gagawin mo siyang cents, magiging 40,000 cents na po siya. Ang read po ni MetaTrader dito, $40,000 po yan. Klaro? Para pag nagda-downtrend po siya, kahit umabot siya ng 2,000, 3,000, question, magsasara account mo? No. Because you're at 40,000 USD ang bilang ng ng MetaTrader mo or bot trader mo. Gets? Okay, that's why ginagawa natin, ka-copy mo lang din yung low risk 1:1 kung ano ginagawa ng bot natin, which is 0.01 kung ito yung capital mo. Low risk po yan. Ito po ang inyong margin. Okay? Kung gusto medyo doble ang maging profit mo, tatalo ka sa medium risk. Gagawin mo siyang 200%. But of course, medium risk, medium profit, medium risk din. Okay? Yun din yung pwedeng outcome niya. Tanong, pwede ka ba magmataas? Medyo aggressive ka. Pwede ka mag-high risk? Yes, you can go all the way up to 300%. Pwede ka ba mag 400%? No na po. This is something that we do not suggest. Why? Because ang tawag na po doon, over lot size na po yun. Beyond the control na po ng bot yun. And even high risk po is there's no guarantee that you can protect it can protect your capital. Okay? Kasi hindi natin control ang market. Naglalaro po yan. Pwedeng mag-dip ng mabilisan, pwedeng mag-up, mag-spike ng mabilis. So, depende po pa rin po sa market. That's why we always say, if you're starting, ano yung first goal? Protection of your capital. So, always go with low risk to medium risk, I would probably say.
Umulan ba?
So, yun po yung ating pwedeng magawa lang. Okay? So, if you want to do, kaya mo mag $400, so dodoble ni AC Capital yon, magiging 800, so total 80,000. Eto maganda. Kanina, naka-mid-risk ka ng 200. Pero pag ito capital mo, tinan mo yung 200% mo, low risk lang siya. Bakit? Mas malaki yung capital mo eh. Mas malaki yung protection mo. Na kahit mag-downtrend yan, okay, kayang i-sustain yan. Okay? So, yun po yung purpose bakit po kayo pwedeng magmataas na capital. Para maging mas mataas po yung percentage ng lot sizing nyo po. Okay? And then, hindi po kayo napupunta sa mid-risk or even high risk. Okay? So, first goal, capital protection. Second, get your ROI. Pag nakuha mo na yung ROI mo, withdrawin mo na po yan. Pagka-withdraw mo, anong gagawin mo? Play with the house money. Of course, passive income. Wala namang itigil mo na yung earning for you. Okay? So, from your profits, let it roll and then target now a new set of capital. Ibig sabihin, na-withdraw ko na yung $800 ko. Wala na akong exposure dyan. Goal ko ngayon, mag-1.2 ako, mag-1.6 ako para hindi na ako 200%. Tatalo na ako to 400% ng low risk or pwede ako mag-800 at mid-risk kasi bakit? Wala ka na exposure. May confidence ka na ngayon. And now you can also see how the bot performs. You'll have more confidence doing it. So that's your third goal. Setting a new goal ka na ngayon. Para pag naabot mo na yung 1.6 mo, tanggal ka naman ulit ng 800. Profit na ngayon yun. You're now playing with the 800. Doble mo ulit para yung 1.6 targetin mo mag 3,200, 2,400, 2,000, however you want it. This is your matrix that you can do. Okay, so ako po, suggestion ko, if you're gonna start 200 and get your 400 capital total or 4,000, 40,000, suggest ko po magdagdag ka ng 100. Gawin mo na siyang 300. Okay, para na doon ka sa 60,000 cents. Okay, tapos i-200% mo na po siya. Nandito ka pa rin po sa ratio niyan, nasa gitna ka nito, nasa low risk ka pa rin po niyan. Ang maganda po doon, mas faster mo makukuha yung ROI. Ano ibig sabihin ba ng lot sizing? Basically, it's multiplier. Okay? If the bot is winning $4 per trade, or kung ilang percent siya, kung naka-dope times 2 ka, therefore, you get your faster ROI. Maging $8 ang profit mo sa same trade. Kung ang bot natin, naka-low risk palagi yan, ikaw naka 300% ka, kung nag-execute ng $4 na win yon, ikaw, kung naka-times 300% ka, ano meron doon? Edi 4, 8, 12. Naging $12 yung naging profit mo. Klaro? So yun lang po yan. But again, we'll answer more of your questions later on or during the breakout session or with the person who invited you in this Zoom link para pag-usapan niyo po on how you can start and what is the best strategy that you can do. Again, iba-iba po tayo ng strategy. But I have one client here, no background in trading, but she just placed 1,000 USD. And of course, doble nga. Again, doble, I forgot to mention the maximum that the Midas EA and ACCM can give to your bonus capital is only up to $1,000. So kaya siya naglagay siya 1,000, naging 2,000 po ang kanyang starting capital or 200,000. So basically, pwede po siyang tumalon from 500% at low risk, laki kaagad, 'di ba, times 5 all the way to 1,000, okay, mid risk. So sabi niya, "Ayoko naman ng 500, ayoko ng low, ayoko din naman masyadong medium." So gumitna po kami. Saan po kami naglagay? Sa 800%, okay. Ngayon po, tinanong ko po siya kanina ng 4 PM kasi Wednesday 4 PM po siya nag-start last week, up to kaninang 4 PM. So, exactly 5 days of trade or 7 days total, um, naka ₱1,360 dollars na po yung kanyang, account. So, that's 36% in just 7 days. Yun ang difference of having a multiplier, imagine. And mind you, the Monday and the Tuesday was a bit low, the trade natin. But kanina was a very good trade. The day was a very good trade for each and every trader natin sa Midas EA. So congratulations to all of our members of Midas EA. So okay, so yun lang po yun, no? Walang ka-background but still profited, and bukas na siya bukas every day and enjoy na niya hanggang umabot siya ng 1,000, sa kanya wi-withdraw niya yun daw yung kanyang profits. Okay? So moving forward, ito po yung isang sample po ng account. Okay? This is one of my accounts that I have personally. So tinanggal ko lang po yung para di po makita yung details ko. So this one I started July 6 at $352. After 7 days, that is 491 po. Pwede na po ba yun? Bakit ang taas? Okay, naka-mid-risk po ako. Okay, tinry ko po siya. Okay, tignan niyo po, chinat-GPT ko na lang po siya para at least accurate po, no? So, sinabi nga po diyan, starting balance ko 35201. Dito po siya. Okay? Current balance ko is 49135 or 137. Okay? So, profit, sabi nga dito, nag-calculate po siya, inutusan ko po siya, how much percentage did I earn in 7 days? Naka 39.58% po. Not bad? Yes. Nang wala po akong ka-stress-stress na hindi ko po kailangan na bantayan po yung trades. Sinisilip ko lang po siya, uy, ganda ng trades today. Uy, okay lang, little bit, but still, it is winning. For the past more than 1.5 month ko na po, 1 month and probably 20 days of trade. No, not 20 days. 18 days of trading. So far, no losses with the bot traders that we have here. Again, it was set to be conservative at the same time to protect your capital. So napakaganda na nangyari. Okay? So this is our Midas EA. You can see it on the ACCM account. You can click your copy trades here, then search for Midas EA. Click nyo lang po yung follow, and you can see here 17.2% po. Okay? 23 traders pala kumukopya dyan. Okay? But ngayon po, that was nung Monday. Ito po mas updated. O, ayan, screenshot talaga kanina. O, July 22, 5:42. We are 25%. See? So, from 17, now we are 25%. Ganyan po kaganda ang performance ng ating Midas EA. Not only that, pati po dito, you can see naman po dyan na it says 1,829 in 1 week. That's 81.92 volume. Winning trades po niya is 1,239 out of 590 na losses. So 68.32%. So hindi yan isang araw, talo po ng buong araw niyo. Wala pong ganun. Kaya nakita sa execution kanina, of course, may red po. Hindi po lahat yan wins. Kasi ang trading, kung wala pong puro wins lang po yan, that's close to being impossible. Baka fake po yun. Okay? Talaga pong may losses po yan kasi kailangan niya sabayan ng market. Yung entry mo, pwede mong habulin sa ilalim yon. Yun yung ginagawa ng bot natin. But that was nung Monday. Accurately po, at least para makita niyo po siya, July 22 again, 5:44. Kanina lang po yan. Ilan na po tayo? 2,539. That's 114 volume. Ang trade natin is 1,744, ang winning 795. Tumaas pa po tayo, 69 out of 31%. That is good. It is improving. And dyan po naglalaro yung ating bot. Yan po yung sinishare natin sa inyo, how accurate it is, how good of a trader it is. Kasi question po, ilan ang kaya mong i-trade kung ikaw ay trader sa isang araw? I was doing when I was starting because I wanted to learn it, like 16, 18 hours nakabantay lang ako sa computer. Ayan na, tataas na. Hindi, antay ka. Nangyari pa sa akin, tagal. CR nga muna ako, tumayo ako. Pagbabalik, anong nangyari? Umangat, di ko nasabayan, nag-CR lang ako, 1 minute lang or 2 minutes, biglang bumaba kaagad siya. Sumipa ng gano'n, hindi ko na-TP, bumaba po kung kailan ako nag-CR. Yun po ang hindi nangyayari sa bot. The bot is very smart to execute it at your convenience. Kahit natutulog po kayo, yun po ang passive na pinapakita natin. Now, can you be able to withdraw your account anytime? Yes. Anytime po. Let's say may naging emergency, kailangan mo i-pull out all of your funds, you can do so because that is your account. Lalagay niyo lang po yung account number niyo dyan, yung empty account number niyo po. And then, bank account details, tapos kung magkano yung amount, and then bank account number, and then enter niyo lang po lahat ng details na hingin po sa inyo within a few, nung nag-start po, about an hour to 2 hours, pagbago pa lang po kayo. Pero after na po nun, mas mabilis na po siya. And just recently, dahil nag-update po ang ating ACCM last weekend, ang sabi automated na daw po ang ating withdrawal. So, mas mabilis na po siya. Okay, so expect a faster transaction within your next few withdrawals in the next few. Normally, we withdraw on a weekend. But again, you can withdraw every night if you want to. It's really up to you. That is your funds. But we have suggestions on how you can withdraw. Okay? So, bakit ba natin pinapakita 'to? We're just basically explaining that the bots are really taking over because ang bot po hindi nagpapahinga. Tuloy-tuloy po 'yan. It's powered by, electricity. So, as long as there's power, it will generate. Okay? And ang maganda do'n, kahit mag-brownout sa bahay mo, tatakbo po 'yan. Because ang server po nasa iba't iba. Meron tayo sa Africa, meron tayo sa Sydney, sa London, 'no? So 'yun po yung maganda sa ating bot trading. And sabi nga dito, 'no, jobs that are likely to be taken over by AI, napakadami. Fast food chains, ayan, 'no, 'di ba, pipindot na kayo ngayon sa McDonald's, Jollibee, ganyan na. Wala ng order, "Hi ma'am, what's your order?" Wala na, pipindot ka na. Pati bayad mo diyan na rin, automated na rin. Banking, right? Dami na rin layoff ng mga tellers, why? Bakit ko pa kailangan mag-deposit, I can transfer it anytime I want, correct? Ano pa? Artist, music. Now, mga pinapakinggan niyo yung mga ano nga ba yung kanta na yun na sobrang, sikat? Araw, gabi, 'di ba? Yun, AI yun. AI, ang galing. I am a musician. I like hearing yung mga different variations of mixes and it makes me, groove or ano. But now, AI na gumagawa lahat niyan. 'Di ba? Musics and everything. Even eventually mechanic din niya po, automated na lahat ng pag-ano. And madami po mangyayari na AIs na ang magte-take over. Even mga even Marvel, Marvel who created back yung mga Avengers, Iron Man, they laid off just this year 1,005 or 3,000 or 2,000 artists nila, no? Because why? Kayang gawin ng isang AI yung 1,000 trabaho. Gano'n po ka-powerful, 'no? So kung hindi ka mag-i-innovate, ano mangyayari? Mapag-iiwanan po tayo. So Midas EA is an AI-powered trading solution designed to simplify trading rather. Okay? It continuously analyze your market conditions, identify potential trading opportunities, and executes trades based on predefined strategies. By reducing emotional decision making, improving execution speed, and operating around the clock. Yun po yung mini-mention natin sa inyo kanina na kahit tulog po tayo, nagte-trade po siya. Yun po yung paggising niyo, "Uy, sisilip ka lang. Uy, galing ng tinrade niya kaninang madaling araw, oh." Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng, "Hala, nangyari po sa akin dati yun." Sabi buy, so bumili kami, nangyari nag-drop. Nag-stay po siya sa matagal ng matagal sa ilalim. So, puwede po siya umangat, puwede po siya mag-drop. So, anong decision po ng traders do'n? It's either one, kung pa-drop po talaga siya, stop your trade, stop loss po ang tawag do'n. Or 'pag umangat ka, TP. 'Pag wala ka na preset po dun, ay ano mangyayari? Wala, mag-aantay ka. Inantay po namin 'yun, nagpapalitan po kami magkakaibigan ng gising. "O ikaw muna 1 hour to 2 hours, tapos tawagan tayo." Kasi naka-on po kami, naka-Zoom na ganito, and 'yun, kung hindi magising tatawag, "O gising na, ano na, pataas na." Eh, 'pag walang nangyari, naka-stay pa rin po siya dun. Alam mo ilan siya nag-stay? Nag-stay siya ng parang 18 hours. So imagine that, nakabantay ka lang, walang nangyari sa trade mo, and yung Midas, from the time it started, never felt of a waiting more than I think 30 minutes of a huge execution trade. It was just trading and trading on its own. Just yesterday, we had the news that Trump had an emergency news that he spoke of. Oh, I think it's for because of the war again or something. Marami pong trades na naipit. People lost their money in their manual trading because of a sudden drop or a sudden rise. I think it was a drop. And I was like, talaga? Bakit di natin naramdaman sa Midas EA yun? Yun po yung ginagawa ni Midas EA. It helps in yung mga trading natin and participate in the market more efficient while maintaining consistent trading discipline. Kung ano pong piniset kay Midas, hindi po siya mag-overbound. Kung ano pong nakadito siya, hindi po siya mag-under. That is what we're sharing with you. That is the beauty of what we are explaining. So, I hope marami po kayo nakuha or at least nakuha ang information sa ating bot trader. And if you wanna be part of this, if you wanna know more about Midas EA, we are here to explain or we're here to discuss further. Kung kayo po ay magaling na mag-trade, thank you for being here. And if you wanna be part or try nyo po yung ating Midas EA, feel free to do so. We can share with you the link. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us anything. May nakita ko dito kanina. Do you use VPS po ba on your copy trade? VPS, Sir Rad, what do you mean by VPS? Again, I'm not that good in trading. Nandito pa ba si Sir Rad? Umalis na si Sir Rad. Okay. I'll check on that VPS. Ano ba yung VPS na nasabi niya? Okay, so any more questions? Majority of here are I do believe are members already, but anyways, this is a recorded Zoom, so I'll be uploading this to our YouTube so you can use this as a tool to present to your friends, clients, or share this with anyone that you want them to learn about our forex trading with our bot. So with that po, maraming salamat for being here in our Zoom. I hope marami po kayo nakuha till the next Zoom presentation. Again, my name is Patrick Gallardo. Thank you guys and God bless you all. Bye.